Now in Creo 9, it's possible to use an algorithm to adjust automatically the feed rate in HSM roughing sequences based on the tool engagement within the material. Let's review how it works. Edit defining an existing HSM rough sequence. It is very easy to activate. Going to Parameters, Feeds and Speeds, Adaptive Feed Control, and change it to Yes. The minimum adaptive feed parameter represents the percentage of the original value set as cut feed. This is all we need to do to activate the feed rate optimization algorithm. Let's see now the effect of this on the toolpath. For that, we will use the feed color ranges as visual indication of the changes in such feed rates. These are the ranges defined: red, lower than 20 IPM, cyan between 60 and 80, and so on. Playing the path and zooming in one area, we will be able to see that the toolpath was split into multiple segments with the optimized feed rates. For instance, linear movements are at full speed, 100 IPM, but then when approaching a change in direction, the algorithm reduces the feed rate to 75, 63, even 10 IPM right on the corners. The benefits of this algorithm are in increasing the tool life, avoid chatter, basically creating better and faster roughing sequences. Thank you.